Running. I walking back in.
It looks like I'm pulling her and it's like she really don't want to go and she does really want to go up.
Yeah, I know I get it.
Alright, if I let go of your lead now, what are you going to do? Follow me. Right, come on.
She's gonna go out in the street, innit? Running.
Ronnie cap. Oi. Stay.
Okay. Smart, yes.
Not as nice as that garden. Come on, not messy now. If I could pick you up, I'll...
Yeah. Yeah, I need to go, you know. Yes, someone may evening walk. I can't be on it, your face on it, innit? I have a YouTube channel, is it? Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah. So we have a goat this evening and our, yeah, name Ronnie. Yeah, she been walking now proper. Yeah. Ronnie the goat, you know. And my evening walk, named Full Circle. Yes, people. Yeah. Today is Thursday the 10th of June 2021. And we are in England, United Kingdom. And there we have a goat. Yeah. And there we have a pet goat, Ronnie. Yeah. With our master. Going to shop. And there we have a bus coming. And this is what we call empty bus running. Yes, people, we're there up on our evening walk, and our evening walk named Full Circle. Yeah, we can hear some birds that make very nice in the tree up there. Yeah, man, it's on top of the rooftop there. They're making all these nice. Yeah. And the time is